Reputation and trust makes a huge difference when we're selecting a contractor or a partner for anything.
The two driving factors were not only time, but also cost considerations.
Initially, people think that the cost is outrageous and it can't happen. Trying to retrofit one of our classrooms is much more costly.
We were looking for something that could happen quickly.
And we were putting a building in the middle of the school year, which is really, really tough to do. So that it was built off-site and they brought it here. There was minimal disruption of the classrooms.
We had no building, or we had our old building the last day of school. We had our new building with students in it fully utilized in the first day of school.
When they were talking about the STEM building, they wanted specific features, flexibility, open space.
We could do concrete floor. We could put sinks where we wanted them and where we needed them. We have water on the outside of the building.
Having features like electrical outlets coming from the ceiling.
The key is that it's a very flexible kind of design process.
The ability to go in and go to the factory and say, I want this here and I don't want this here, and we need to have a presentation software and wireless, and be able to do that from the ground up allows us to integrate technology in the way we think is most supportive of students.
AMS has been very, very helpful in the sense that when things change last minute, they're able to quickly turn things around and make it happen.
I think whether you're looking from a fiscal standpoint or a quality standpoint, really it makes sense to invest.
When we opened the building the first time, I love the fact that the students, the board, the teachers, the staff were actually very surprised at the quality.
To see what the result was has been really exciting. I mean, it's far exceeded our expectations.
Once you realize how good it is to be free and open and to put yourself out there, you will naturally come to the conclusion that having a space like this is exactly what schools need.